Yes.
What you got?
New bed.
New bed.
New bed.
Yay.
No.
Pillow, you gotta turn that pillow around.
Get arrested.
No, turn that pillow around.
20 years in jail.
Turn that other pillow around. Doesn't it have a pretty thing on the other side?
No, that's not a pretty thing. I'm the pretty thing.
You are a pretty thing.
Here, here. See? It's nice.
Nice.
Warm and comfortable and not stinky. You like it?
Yep.
We did good. $50. That was nice.
Except it wasn't 50, but that's nice.
Oh, it was fucking close to 50. It was closer to 50. It was 51 or 55 or 50 fucking.
I love you.
Love you.
Bye.
Bye.
Say hello, Facebook.
Hello, Facebook. I'll be back soon. I'm getting my computer fixed
This
shortly,
week.
and then I'll be back.
This week. This next week.
This next week.
When Casey gets all of her money.
Yes, that.
Then we spend her money instead of my own.
We'll spend our money.
That's
again
right. I love you.
To fix it.
Bye.
Bye.
He's so cute.